Greens one and all, how's everyone doing? I hope well. Out here with the Harshman Hills slingshot, which video coming. Just real quick, I got some clay ammo, so I don't have to worry about all my missed shots going out in the woods. Anyway, I wanted to wish a happy birthday to our brother Bill Melton, who's sadly no longer with us. Real good dude. Yeah, I just wanted to give that real quick for him. So I'll link his channel below if you want to go give him a few of his vids a look. Like I said, he died a couple years ago, which is really sad. You know, he's missed. He seems like a really good dude. I didn't know him very long, but he seemed like a really good dude. So just want to do a quick birthday shout out for Mr. Bill Melton. So as always, thanks for watching. This will be just a quick video, and have a great weekend.